When we are busy taking care of our elderly and we have children in our families, their needs also have to be addressed. Sometimes we are so focused, our energies are going out, and we need to make sure that our families are taken care of. But most importantly, the children need to be taken into account during this process of change. Sometimes they don't understand, sometimes they're frightened, sometimes they have big question marks over their head. They can be spoken to in words that are appropriate for their particular age, but bring them into the process. Let them know that these are natural things. It happens. Families go on. Families gather together and support each other during this time. And if it's appropriate, have them come to the funeral. And if it's not appropriate, don't force them. But do keep them informed and do keep them in the circle of information.